Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today we're going to make fried cod for fish and chips. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we're going to need 1.5 pounds of skinless cod fillet, 1.5 cups of beer. I'm going to be using a Boston Lager, 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of rice flour, a 1/4 cup of cornmeal, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, a tablespoon of Old Bay Seasoning, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, as well as some vegetable oil for frying. We'll start by preheating our oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While our oil is preheating, we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients. We'll pat our cod fillets dry with paper towel and cut them into thirds. Next, we'll prepare our dredge. In a shallow baking dish, we'll whisk together our 1/4 cup of cornstarch, teaspoon of salt, and teaspoon of pepper. The cornstarch dredge helps keep our cod dry so the batter sticks to it better. Then we'll prepare our batter. We'll sift our cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour into a large bowl. Sifting our flours helps to keep our batter light and airy. Then we'll whisk in our 1/4 cup of cornmeal, tablespoon of Old Bay Seasoning, and teaspoon of baking powder. Once well combined, we'll mix in our 1.5 cups of Boston Lager, a little at a time until we have a batter the consistency of a pancake batter. Working in batches, after our oil has finished preheating, we'll dredge our cod in our cornstarch mixture, making sure to cover it evenly and shaking off any excess. Then, we'll dip it in our batter and coat it well, and lift it, allowing any excess to drain off, before placing it in our oil and allowing it to cook for 3 minutes on the first side, then flipping it with a spatula and finishing for 3 minutes on the second. After 6 minutes total, we'll remove them from the oil and place them on a cooling rack to drain. We'll continue this until we finish frying all of our cod. After draining, we'll serve these with some french fries and your choice of malt vinegar or tartar sauce. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.